Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to turn this ugly frame into a scrying mirror. So I bought this for the carving because I like the carving. The colour is absolutely hideous, but we're going to fix that with a bit of paint. So first of all, I'm going to take the back off. And this is one where the back's coming off a little bit, but that's fine. That's nothing a bit of hot glue won't fix. So I'll warm up my glue gun as well. Now it does have this piece of very yellowed plastic for its glass, as it were. I'm going to see if it works with this. If it doesn't, I'll find a piece of glass that size. So I've got some acrylic paint. I'm just going to paint this plastic first. If I can get any paint out. Okay. Actually, what I'll do is I'll use that as a palette for now. So I'm going to just paint this black. If you got spray paint would be even better. I'm just making sure I get into all those nooks and crannies. And I'm not going to worry if the paint goes in the middle because it's all going to be painted black anyway. So I'm going to do that and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. Just look for any areas where you've missed when you dry it, or anywhere that just needs a second coat. And then I'm going to paint the glass. Oh, hold on, I'm glowing in the dark. One sec. There you go. Just turn the brightness down just so I don't glow in the dark. I'm going to paint the back of this. I need this to be not on. I need this to not be directly on the table so I can actually get to the edges. I'm painting the back of the plastic that's been used as glass in this frame. Oops, sorry, not the tripod. Okay. Now I'm going to have to leave that to dry and then I'll do another 2 or 3 coats. So I've painted everything black. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this back out. I'm going to put the piece of plastic in. Can I get that off? One sec. I'm just going to see if I can get the back off and re-glue it back on. Because, yeah, it ain't on properly. Plus then I can get access to sticking the glass in properly, because it's not quite the right size for the frame. So now I'm going to glue this on the back. I'm just going to run a bead of glue around the edge. Then I'm going to peel off the old glue, if I can. And it doesn't matter if this looks a bit tatty, because you ain't going to see this anyway. I'm just getting this off so it'll lie flat. Just make sure you get rid of any loose bits. And interestingly enough, it looks like this was made in 2012, which is interesting. Oh, you're not going to want to come off, are you? Okay. Oh, got it. So some of the old glue actually stuck properly. Okay. That'll do for what I need. No one's going to look at the back of it. I'm just going to make sure I stick this on the right way round. Put plenty of... Get the hot glue off that's stuck to my rubbish. You're joking me. Shh, should be glue gun. Right. And if you want to, you can draw a protective sigil on the inside. I'm just going to do pentagram. But you could put any sigil or anything inside there before you stick the back on. And just make sure it's level with the bottom so it'll stand up straight. And then I'm going to get some more glue. I'm just going to make sure that that's stuck down well so it doesn't come off again. That's fine, it was just that one side. Then you put some weight on it to make sure it stays. I've got another frame here I could use to press it on with, or a heavy book or something. That's what it looks like so far. It does work as a mirror, but I've just got a bit of paint on this side which I've got to clear off. So I'm just cleaning the surface of that perspex, that plastic. Try and pick off the bits. At least that's one thing with acrylic paint and smooth shiny surfaces, is it does come off quite easy. You just have to scratch at it a little bit with your fingernail and it will peel right off. Okay. And then I'm just going to get some gilding wax. Oh, I've just spotted a bit where paint's missing. There. Brush is too wet. Just going to dry that off. And there you have a scrying mirror. 1 second. And then I've got this metallic lustre wax in gold. It's a bit old now, but I like how it only puts a very thin layer on. I'm just going to use that over some of the carvings to make them stand out a little bit. And then I'm just going to test how well it reflects the candlelight. First I'm just going to get my candle to stick in place. There you go. So you can see it works because there's a reflection of the candle in there. I need to trim the wick on the candle. Go. And I've done my wick too short now. Come on, you can do it. Let's see what it looks like with a bigger candle. 1 sec, because that one is too small, not burning very well. And there we have it. That's how to make a simple scrying mirror. I'm not going to show you how to use one or anything, but I'm just showing you that it does reflect perfectly fine, and it reflects the candle flame. And what people usually do is they will stare at the candle flame, the reflections, and just see what images pop into their mind or what images appear as they continue to stare into the candle. And they usually do this with the light turned low, and that's it. That's how to make a scrying mirror. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Blessed be, and bye for now.